We got an incredible video for you today, guys. Take a look at this. We waited for that evening look to give you this view. It is stunning. Take a look at the fog lights here. Absolutely incredible. Beautiful black matte fog lights here. And wait till you see this thing. You guys all know the Airstream 2025 model lineup. They do all the little travel trailers, the big travel trailers. These things are gorgeous. But now they're in the Class Bs, the Range line, the Interstate 19, the Interstate all-wheel drive, the Interstate X, and the Atlas 4500 B Plus style. But God, what do we have here? Take a look at this. This thing is gorgeous. All done by Airstream. Look at the rivets in that. Absolutely stunning. I've never seen anything like this ever. Alice, what do you think? This is the Interstate X 19X LE Outland Edition. But what? They're only gonna make 30 of these. That's right, 30, folks. And take a look at the fit and finish on this. It is gorgeous. Here's the specifications. You can pause the video, take a look at that, but 20 feet long, and it is loaded. This thing is gorgeous. 3-position platform bed. You got a platinum audio sound system, wraparound awning, off-pavement capability, and look at all the electronic packages that come with this thing. It's pretty sick overall. Alice loves it. But let me swing around the back because there's really nothing like this at the Hershey show. Look at this thing. It is just awesome. If you're a Oakland Raiders fan of the old days with the silver and black, this is about as good as it gets. I mean, gorgeous. The wheels are gorgeous. Little Mercedes logo on there. Look at this, really nice metal. Overall, these guys are having some fun at Airstream. This is really out of the box. Take a look at that awning, LED backlit. But tomorrow, this is gonna be a zoo. We're here on Media Day, and this one is super cool. Are you ready, Alice?
Absolutely. Come and visit this space shuttle.
It's a space shuttle, is right. Big old Mercedes chassis on the diesel. There's your Airstream. But look at this seat. You think you're in a Ferrari, not in a Class B van. Those are gorgeous. Really nice dash here. We all know about the Mercedes, so we won't spend any time on that. Storage up top, LED lights. Really cool, and the kind of quality you expect from these guys at Airstream.
Yeah. This is as sturdy as it can be.
Yeah, I mean, touch screens, all your different control systems, sound here, really nice Bluetooth. You know, you got your little stove oven there with the induction stovetop. Look here, your wet bath. Let's see what we got. Oh, this is plastic, so that's not good. I don't know what's going on with Airstream on that. Beautiful design, LED lights, nice mirror setup, and you know, that's pretty sweet overall. But yeah, what a cool little gig, huh? So and induction top.
Yeah, they divided the kitchen between the two areas, and I like that a lot. So you have your induction cooktop, and then on the other side, instead you have your sink, but it can be closed in, and you don't lose this extra space, and then a nice microwave right on top there.
Yeah, and take a look at the table.
Here is a dinette area, so what is great is that you can actually close this ladder and then be able to use this as a table between the two seats.
Yeah,
it's really nice.
This is like the back of a boat, actually, and then you have the 3 different styles of bedding that you can set up in here. There's that big speaker system, sound system, as you can see it. So you're gonna get some loud music if you want it. This is all heavy-duty metal in here. Nice storage containers. This thing is pimped out. This is the whole Coleman mock setup. Really, really nice. Boy, this one, you're gonna make a scene over at Mohab with this bad boy, right?
It's amazing.
Yeah, absolutely. Take this out west and you're gonna get a lot of people jealous for sure. Cutting board on here, a little bit of everything, nice doors. There's your Sony Bluetooth system, really nice cabinets, more LED lighting, but pretty straightforward, pretty amazing. But this outside is super slick. I mean, this is cool, and no question about it. Rivets, that strong silver look, that's super cool. So Alice, we're gonna make this quick. We don't do the real in-depth 45-minute videos like some of these YouTubers. We just wanted to give you a glimpse of some of the cool stuff here at the Hershey Show 2025 model. Only 30 units are gonna be available. This is an off-road Interstate X, this 19X LED Outland Edition. It is super awesome.
It's a
Alice,
winner,
what do
for
you got to
sure.
say to everyone back home?
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below and let us know if you loved this unit as much as we did. It's absolutely fantastic. Let us know down here.
In the comment section.
Yes, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit this like button. And thank you so much for watching. Outland Camping!
Camping!